Welcome to the best picks. The best garage door insulation kit is probably one of the most overlooked home improvements, but it can make a huge difference. Insulating your garage door is a smart move for anyone looking to save money on energy bills, make their garage more comfortable year-round, and protect against extreme weather. Today, we're diving into the world of garage door insulation kits to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. NASATECH 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. Are you looking to improve the temperature in your garage? This insulation kit is designed to do just that. It's easy to install and will make a noticeable difference. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes insulation rolls, heavy-duty double-sided tape, a razor, a squeegee, and easy-to-follow instructions. This product is proudly made in the USA and meets all US and international fire codes. You can trust its quality and safety. The included heavy-duty double-sided tape ensures a secure and long-lasting installation. The insulation itself is waterproof, weatherproof, and very durable. This kit provides an R8 value, acting as a vapor barrier and radiant barrier all in one. It also offers sound deadening properties, making it a comprehensive solution for your garage. Installation is straightforward. The instructions will guide you through the process, ensuring a proper and effective application. You'll be enjoying the benefits in no time. What we like. This kit offers an impressive R8 value, ensuring excellent insulation. It's proudly made in the USA, guaranteeing quality and durability. If you're looking for superior thermal performance and long-lasting quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. White outer shell looks nice, matches white garage door. It really does help moderate temperature. Performance of material is great. Easy to cut to fit. Number 4. NASATECH 16LX8H Garage Door Insulation Kit. This is the NASATECH Garage Door Insulation Kit. It's designed to keep your garage at a comfortable temperature. This kit is easy to install and highly effective. The kit is sized at 16 feet long by 8 feet high, and it comes in 5 panels. It is designed to fit most standard garage doors. This ensures a good fit for your garage. The insulation features a reflective white vinyl finish. This helps to reflect sunlight and heat away from your garage. It also gives it a clean, finished look. It utilizes 2 layers of highly reflective radiant barrier foil. This design helps to block radiant heat effectively. This will significantly improve the insulation. This insulation kit can block up to 95% of radiant heat. This will help to reduce your energy bills. It makes your garage more comfortable year-round. The kit includes double-sided GDK tape for easy installation. This tape ensures that the insulation stays securely in place. It makes the installation process simple. What we like. This kit features a reflective white finish, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. It effectively blocks radiant heat by up to 95%, keeping your garage cooler. If you are looking to maximize heat reflection and ease of installation, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Immediate difference in heat coming off inside of garage door. I lined up the bottom and stuck the tape first, and once that was set I went back and did the same on the top. Our garage is 16 foot wide, but the rolls were longer than 16, so I had some extra to work with. Number 3. Matador SGDIK002 Garage Door Insulation Kit, X-Large, White. Installing this kit is a breeze. It only takes 3 simple steps to get the job done. You don't need any special tools or adhesives. Forget about messy tapes, glues, or pins. This product is designed for a clean and straightforward installation process. It's all about convenience. This insulation kit is made to fit most standard pan-style garage doors, both 8-foot and 9-foot sizes. It's a versatile solution for many homes. The panels are pre-scored, making it easy to customize them for your door. No special tools are required, saving you time and effort. The kit includes 8 high-impact polystyrene laminate panels. Each panel measures 23.25 inches high, 54 inches wide, and 1.25 inches thick, providing excellent insulation. This Matador product is designed to fit into the existing framework of a standard garage door. It's not intended for use with aftermarket hurricane braces. What we like. Installation is a breeze with this kit, requiring only 3 simple steps. It eliminates the need for tapes, glues, or pins, saving you time and effort. If you value a hassle-free installation process and a perfect fit for your standard garage door, consider this one. What people say. It works amazingly, easy to install, minus the slight mess made when you cut these to size. Flexible insulation which works good for door with hurricane braces. It was easy to cut to size and installing it was pretty easy. It made an instant difference in the garage once it was installed. Number 2. USA Garage Door Insulation Kit 16x8. Is your garage too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter? This insulation kit is the perfect solution. It helps regulate the temperature, making the space more comfortable. This kit boasts an R value of 8.0, providing excellent insulation. It effectively blocks heat transfer, saving you money on energy bills. The kit comes with heavy-duty double-sided tape for easy installation. It's designed to fit most standard 16x8 and 16x7 garage doors. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and durability for long-lasting performance. The white reflective foam core enhances its insulating properties. It reflects radiant heat, further improving the garage's climate control. What we like. This kit offers an impressive R8 value, ensuring excellent insulation. It's proudly made in the USA, guaranteeing quality and durability. If you're looking for superior thermal performance and long-lasting quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit included everything that you will need to install the kit: foam rolls, double-sided tape, disposable razor knife and a squeegee. The panels themselves are top-notch quality, easy to work with, cut, and manipulate into spaces around my door hardware. I immediately noticed a significant reduction in outside noise, making my garage a much more peaceful and enjoyable space. Number 1. NASATECH White Garage Door Insulation Kit. Are you looking to improve your garage's temperature? This insulation kit is designed for one-car garage doors. It helps create a comfortable working space. This kit provides an R8 insulation value. It helps to keep the heat in during winter and out during summer, making your garage more energy efficient. The pre-cut panels are designed to fit most standard one-car garage doors. This makes installation simple and straightforward for you. Utilizing NASA technology, this insulation reduces garage temperatures by 10 to 40 degrees. It transforms your garage into a more usable space. The materials are clean, non-carcinogenic, non-toxic, waterproof, and durable. This ensures that it is safe for you and your family. This product also acts as a sound deadener, reducing noise. It is also Class 1 Class A fire rated, providing added safety. What we like. This kit is Energy Star rated, ensuring energy efficiency and savings. It also functions as a sound deadener, creating a more comfortable environment. If you want to improve your garage's energy efficiency and reduce noise, you should consider this. What people say. The insulation kit was easy to install. The product is well designed. The garage door insulation kit has significantly reduced the temperature in my garage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.